In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Inventory effectively in just 5 minutes. Zoho Inventory is a powerful tool that can help you manage your inventory, process orders, and streamline your business operations. Let's dive into the steps you need to get started. First, you'll want to navigate to inventory.zoho.com and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Once you've signed in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, which is your central hub for accessing all the features Zoho Inventory has to offer. Next, you'll need to set up your company profile. This includes entering your company name, selecting your preferred currency, and configuring your tax settings and preferences. These details are essential for aligning Zoho Inventory with your business operations and ensuring that everything runs smoothly. After configuring your company settings, it's time to add your items to the inventory. This involves entering crucial details like the SKU, price, stock quantity, and warehouse information for each product. This step is vital as it lays the foundation for efficient inventory management. Make sure the information you enter is accurate to help you track your stock levels effectively. Now, it's important to add your customers and vendors. This allows you to keep track of your business relationships and ensures you have all the necessary contact information at your fingertips. By doing this, you'll be able to quickly access customer and vendor details when creating sales orders or managing purchases. Once your products, customers, and vendors are set up, you can start creating sales orders. Sales orders are crucial for tracking customer purchases and ensuring timely delivery of products. Zoho Inventory allows you to easily create and manage these orders, providing you with a clear overview of your sales activities. Following the creation of sales orders, you'll want to generate invoices. Invoicing is a critical step in the sales process, as it helps you facilitate payments and maintain transparent records of transactions. Zoho Inventory provides a user-friendly interface for creating invoices, so you can easily send them to your customers. Managing purchases is another key aspect of using Zoho Inventory. This feature helps you track the acquisition of goods from your vendors, ensuring you always have the necessary stock levels to meet customer demand. Keeping an organized record of your purchases will aid in efficient stock management. Tracking stock in warehouses allows you to monitor stock levels across all your locations. This feature is especially useful for businesses with multiple warehouses or storefronts. By using Zoho Inventory's tracking tools, you ensure that you aren't overstocking or undersupplying any location. Shipping products is the next step. Zoho Inventory provides different options to manage shipping information, ensuring that your customers receive their orders promptly and accurately. Keeping shipping logs up to date helps you avoid potential customer dissatisfaction. Finally, generating reports is an integral part of using Zoho Inventory. Reports give you insights into your business performance, highlight trends, and identify opportunities for improvement. You can customize reports to focus on specific areas like sales, purchases, or stock levels, and use these findings to make informed business decisions. And if you want to take things a step further, consider integrating Zoho Inventory with other apps you might be using. While this step is optional, integrations can enhance functionality and provide a comprehensive picture of your business operations. That's a quick overview of how to use Zoho Inventory. With these steps, you'll be well equipped to streamline inventory management and optimize your business processes.